my God. Can I sing to you? Yeah.
Oh! Cut. Hey! Hey. This is my first video, my introduction video, and I'm kind of nervous. I don't know what I'm nervous for, though. Like, honestly speaking, I don't know what I'm nervous for. I'm just playing. But yes, this is my introduction video. I'm not going to really introduce myself because we're going to learn me and, you know, as this channel grow. But I'm nervous. I ain't gonna cap. But this video, not the video. I'm sorry, y'all. Look at me. I'll just say I'm nervous. And I'm not stopping. Let me tell y'all something. One random fact. I'm me. Okay? So, you gonna get either happy, sad. I might be laughing. I might be crying. I might be screaming. I might be shouting. Whatever day it is, that's what you're going to get. That's honestly what you're going to get. I don't pretend about nothing, okay? Anyway, this channel really going to be vlogs, travel vlogs. I love traveling. When I tell you I love traveling, like, I don't like staying home in a long periodically time. That's not the right word, is it? And I'm just saying, I don't like being home at a long period of time. Yeah, I don't. And I'm going on a trip tomorrow. I'm not even going to kid y'all. I was going to try to, like, record so y'all can have, like, a vlog. Like a mini vlog. I don't got no storage, so I'm gonna do what it do, and I'm gonna make it do what it do. But if y'all get a video, y'all do. If y'all don't, I'm so sorry. But this is my first video, and with this video, it's gonna be like a little mini vlog connected to this, because me and my cousins went to a haunted house. Please, y'all have to watch the video from beginning to end. And no, I'm not just saying that so like I can get watch time, but like the the video is funny from beginning to end. Literally. But yes, I had a good time. Anyway, vlogs, traveling. I'm a chef. I'm CEO of Soleil, to be exact. I really specialize in like desserts, banana puddings, all flavors of banana puddings. But I'm put my business page in the description down below. Yes, I'm a food caterer. I'm a chef. Yup. You know, we're gonna make it to the top. Y'all gonna hear that name Soleil in a long time. Just give me a second. We gonna get there. We is gonna get there, okay? But yes, my name is Layla. I'm 20. Finna be 21. The big 2-1. I don't know why I'm so excited for this birthday, but like I'm real life so excited. Like, I'm not gonna say like I don't like my other birthdays because I do. But this one I don't know. Like, is it because I'm turning 21? It better be. But I'm turning 21. In February. All my February babies. Hey. Eventually, whenever y'all see this. But I have 2 fur babies. They're bad. You'll meet them eventually. We got Chestnut. She actually right here. And we got Buttercup. That's the bad one. She only bad because she a baby. But she over there scratching up the bed. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's just a little introduction. Yes. I'm going to have podcasts on here too. Well, like, eventually, like, my podcast is going to grow on my YouTube channel. But I'm going to have girl talks with myself and with guests. And I'm really excited about just growing my YouTube. I don't know. I always wanted to do YouTube. And now I'm just stepping on my shell and I'm doing it. And if it don't go nowhere, it don't go nowhere. I'm still going to be posting videos for me. Because it's for me, you know. If it goes somewhere, it goes somewhere. But I just want to, you know, share my life with people who want to watch me. I appreciate it. Real bad. So that was just like a little introduction. So the little vlog, I hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you very much. Because it's funny, for real. I'm not even saying it's like I'm finna go watch it again for like the 30th time. But thank y'all, for real. Okay.
Wait.
Gang Guinness. Y'all.
Crossing me. Let's get.
Anyway, y'all, we is in line for
Suck that dick.
Taraya.
I'm sorry. Okay. That's why I can't have a YouTube because who the fuck's gonna watch they mouth? Not me.
didn't even introduce y'all to, Big T and a bad Big T.
Sis, not the little one, bitch. I sucked that.
Stop. Anyway, and then I got Big Night to the left of me. You
Hey,
know.
that's the
And
right.
then,
That's the right.
Big Night
That is the right. Not your left.
I was so confused on what you were talking about earlier.
Oh, man, I've been trying to say that shit, yo.
Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Stop right now! Woo, you better stop!
She turned to you. I'm so fucking scared, dog. Where the clown at?
Please don't come over here.
Take the mask
Please
off.
don't come over here when I'm paying, please, because I will die.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Jason.
Oh my
not no
God.
fucking Freddy, dumbass.
Well, how are you? I can't even get in here. I'm sorry. No, I'm not.
Where'd he go?
You too, Jason.
Bye bye.
Hey!
Oh!
Get your ass back. I ain't gonna fucking play with him. Fuck his problem.
I said, she said. What you doing? What you running for?
Bitch, I'm not doing that. Oh, my heart, bitches.
How do I put it on neutral? I ain't never been in no car wash before, y'all.
He on the car.
Wait,
y'all.
and it's getting smoky.
Wait.
What am I supposed to do? Is he do I stop right here?
Bitch, just wait.
Please
Okay.
pull
Okay, wait,
forward.
I'm scared.
I don't know
I'm
if I
scared.
pull forward, and I can't see.
Please pull forward.
Oh, okay,
there you go.
I'm looking at it.
Ooh.
Ooh. Do I put it in neutral?
Oh, he said stop. Stop. Neutral. Ooh.
Oh.
Neutral.
Oh. Okay, I did.
Okay, so neutral.
Get the fuck off my.
Go ahead, door. Lock the door.
We can't see. Wait. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Oh my God, wait.
God, please.
That's the fucking watch. Let me go.
I'm scared.
We
Oh,
already.
shit, door.
Soraya.
Come on.
Where is the paper? No, for real, 'cause I ain't
I'm
looking.
scared.
That's it. Like,
No.
we finna
I
go
think
off
I
this
see
shit.
somebody. You're right. Look at him right there, y'all.
Layla,
He on my side. That's it. Are you serious?
Bro, that is it.
I'm mad.
Oh my
That
god.
was 3 people that just came to this window.